Hello guys, welcome back to Sourcify platform. So I am your friend Gaurav with you. So today in this video we are going to continue our C language series, and in this video we are going to discuss about another format specifier which is percentage %f. Okay, so here I have written some notes for you so that it will be helpful for you to understand. Okay, and here we will also learn to use the data type float. Okay, so at first let me give the introduction about what is floating point. Okay, so the numbers, floating numbers are those, like if I give you an example, 9.47, so there is 9 point and after that some number 4763 like that. Okay, so this type of numbers are actually called floating number. If we get the input of this type of number in a integer, in a program where we are getting the input from the user of a number, and if we write there the floating number, then it will only show us only the integral part of that value. Let me show you, or if you attended our previous class you already know. So let me show you this. If I change this float, like if this program is for integer type number input, so enter a number, this is correct. Here I have to change the format specifier is %d, and here %d. Okay, %d. So now if I run this program, what will happen if I input a floating number like 3.456. Now enter. Oh, so here this is only showing the integral part. Okay, this point and 456 is not uh, displaying here. So for that we use the format specifier %f. So let's start using it. For that we the data type is float, float, float. ঠিক আছে? Okay, so the whole program is same, has include stdio.h. You know the basic structure. Then we have to write main function, so int main, then first bracket, then this third bracket close. Now second bracket close. Now okay, I am writing the program from the beginning. Okay, so has include stdio dot h. Okay, so this is the header file. Now int main, this is the main function. Inside the main function we have to at first declare a variable. For that, which type of variable it is? Float type. Okay, so we have to store the floating values in a float type of variable. So for that, instead of int we have to write float. And now the variable name, let's assume the variable name is number. Okay, now close it. Now we have to show the user or instruct the user that please enter a floating number. Okay, so for that what we can do, we will use the printf function from okay, printf function. Here we have to write the comment, like enter a enter a number, like that, only number. Okay, slash in is for new line character, like if we want to show or get the input in a new line. For that, now close it by semicolon. Now we have to get the input, or you can say we have to store the number inputted by the user. For that we will use scanf function. Here double quotation, inside it we have to write %f instead of percentage %d. Now comma, and where to store address of means and operator, which is the address of operator. Okay, address of what? Address of number variable. Okay, because we have written it here, float number, like that. Okay, so for that, let me zoom it. I think there is problem, I will fix it. So number, scan a percentage f and store it uh, at the address of number variable. Okay, so now semicolon and close it. Now we have instructed the user that enter a number and then stored the variable, stored the number in the number variable. Okay, now we have to display a confirmation message. Okay, for that we can further use the printf function. Now inside it we can write your entered number is what? Percentage f, definitely. Okay, comma, from where it can get the value? From the variable called as number. Okay, which we have written at the first and declared it. Now let's run the program. Before running the program, let me clear this terminal by simply writing clears. Okay, now this is saying that enter a number. Let's input a number 3.456. Now enter. Your entered number is this. So I think there is a problem. Yeah, we got it. The problem is here. This is not percentage %d, this is percentage %f, because we are getting the value from the type or the format specifier is percentage %f, and we have to put it the same. Okay, now rerun the program. Let me clear this as at first by simply writing clear and enter. Now let me enter some number like 3.456. Enter. Okay, 3.456, and this is 000. This is for something like uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this is for 8-bit. Okay, so 8-bit storage. This is not so important, but the output is important for us. They actually 8-bit storage, for so for that it is showing that. Now let me show the notes. Okay, here in notes it is written that percentage %f, it's used to get the input of a floating value. So the program is int main float num is the variable here, printf enter number, you enter num. Okay, percentage %f address of num, we stored the value, then printf you enter number is percentage %f. Don't forget this or don't mistake this, make the mistake in this. So now comma and the variable then return 0 simply. Okay, let me write a return 0 here. Return 0. This the program run successfully, but it can sometime uh, make a problem. So don't forget to write return 0. Okay, I will suggest you this. Now here I have not written any test output, so let me write it. Test output, what we have tested. I'm going here, copying this. Let me copy this. Okay, control C. Now control, no, this is not copying. 1 second. Now let's try control. One second, let me fix it. Okay, so now let's see the notes. I've copied it and pasted it here. Enter number this, and you are getting the output like this. Now the second part, percentage dot nf, it means if there is a integer. Okay, like it's used when we have to output approximate value till nth decimal, where n equal to 1 2 3 4 till nth number. Okay, this is like that. So what we can do for that, just replace it with, at first let's see, by replacing it just with dot uh, nf. Okay, no nf. We have to actually write here some number, like if we want that we enter a floating value, and it will just give us the output till the third decimal after the third decimal number after the dot. Okay, so here let's write this 3. Let's say we want this, we want clear, we want only till this. Now 3.56789, enter. Yeah, so this is giving us the approximate value. So 56, here was the first three decimal was number was 567, but here it is giving us 568. 8 is because of what? It is giving us the approximate value. Okay, it is not cutting the other values from the number, not removing. It is just giving the approximate value. So approximate value actually. So for that, uh, we instructed it that it will give us till third decimal number. So for that, the program converts the number to only like that, it so that it can show only till the third decimal number. This is the output. Let me copy this and control. One second. So I think this is clear to all of you. Output. Okay, this is fine. Now let's go to the okay, so this was, yeah, this was okay. I think this is clear to you. Let's go to the third point, percentage x dot n. Like x is also a number. Here I'm writing it. uh, X or n, both can be what? 1 2 3 4 till any integer or integral number. Okay, it can be that. So here what will happen, let us at first read the sentence, read the instruction. So x equal to number of total places output will display. Okay, number of total places output will display. Like in previous program, here it is showing how many places? 3, it means first place, dot contains second place, 4 contain third place, 5 contain uh, fourth place, then fifth place, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay, uh, so this is showing eighth place till eighth place. But let's say we want to show the 10 places. Okay, at first we want that there will be some blank spaces, like 2 blank spaces, and then 8 places. So for that, what we can do, we can write the format specifier like this. So let me uh, explain this. Let's say we want three decimals. Okay, this is okay for us because we have learned about it. We want three decimal till three decimal number after the dot, but in total how many places we want to show. In default case there is 8 places it is showing, but uh, not 8 places just, but here we can write like we want to show 10 places. Okay, if we write it like that, like in positive 10 places, total of positive 10 places, let us see the output. What will be the output? Let's enter a number like 2.4567. Let me enter a okay, this can be 2.4567876. Okay, this is how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 places, but let me remove this. Okay, now this is 2. 2 is first place, 1 2, second place is dot, third place, fourth place, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, now what it is showing? 7 places, but at first you have to see it. We convert after the point, we convert the or we are showing the number till the third decimal. Okay, like point, then 4 5 6. So now in converted number, if we have not given the 10 here, so what will be the output? Output will be simply 2.457. Okay, uh, so after giving the 10 before point, what it is showing? It is showing some spaces, these spaces before the output. So how many spaces will be there? Let's count. So here 7 is first place. Let 7 is first place, 5 second, 4 third, dot is fourth, 2 is fifth. Now there will be sixth place. Okay, seventh place, eighth place, ninth place, 10th place. Okay, so total of 10th place are there. Here is the space in output it is showing, but why? Because we have given here positive 10. Let's see what happened if we give here negative 10. So let's rerun the program. 2.34567, something like that. Now sorry, this will be point. Now point, now enter. Okay, this is it is looking like this is giving the normal output, but this is not the normal output. The spaces shifted here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like that. Okay, so but here is how many spaces. So let us count. First place is 2, second place is dot, third place is 3, fourth place is 4, fifth place is the number 6. Okay, so there will be fifth, and there will be also other 5 places, blank spaces here. Okay, so this is just a conceptual understanding, and it will be used when you will be asked to print a pattern. You can use it. Okay, also you will use the loop, but in many pattern you can use this concept. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, so this is the third one. Let me copy the code and paste it to the net.